Hi everyone, it's Sylvia Wokolo here. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can start running, even as a beginner. First of all, I'll talk about what running does for me, the benefits of running, why I run regularly, and also how you can start as well. For me, I find that running is because I'm so busy, like I can give the excuse that I'm busy not to exercise, but with running, I get my workout done, you know, on time and easily. Like running gives you that total body workout that you need. It's not like you're doing, sit-ups, or you're toning your arms or you're toning your hips. You're doing that total body workout all at once, and that is what I like about running. And it saves time, time you would use to work out. You can get so much in such a short time, and that's why another reason why what I love about running. And obviously, it eases stress. It gives you, it gets you motivated, especially when it's one of the first things you do in the day. If you do it in the mornings, you have that high. You start your day motivated. You start your day raring to go, like and it keeps you on track. It keeps your mind alert. This is I'm just picturing myself and seeing all the benefits that it gives me. Not only does it make me look fab, but running is so beneficial in so many ways that you can't afford not to. If you're one of if you find that you have a busy lifestyle like I do, running is something you can pick up, something you can get used to and get satisfied. Tick that box of I have done my workout, I have done my exercise, I look fab, I look great, I am achieving my health goals. And that's what I love, about running. And having said that, I have a 5-day challenge which you can use to go from running from walking to running in just 5 days. I have broken it down in a way that it is so easy for you to, um, you know, all you need is that just the motivation that you want to do it, and 15 minutes walking time, and you would see how you can every day for 5 days start from walking, and by the end of the fifth day, you start running. And I'm just looking forward to your success story. I'm looking forward to how this would help you, how this is going to turn out for you. Drop me an email, drop me a comment, let me know how it goes for you. Because there's so many benefits. And if you feel that you don't have time to do this, I tell you, it's not about the time, it's about you making out time for what is important for you. And 15 minutes in a day is enough, is achievable for you to do. So let me know what you think. Let me know how the challenge goes, and I'm here to help you. I'm here to keep you, motivated and stay on track. Just holler at me if you need any help. I hope you found this useful. I hope you take this on board and start today. It's not about setting big goals. You have your health goals there, but it's about you taking those small steps like this to go from walking to running. And it's about you starting now, not delaying it for when I have time, because you'll never have time for it. So I hope that you take this on board, and I'll speak to you later. See ya.